Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a city POV test drive in this 2021 Mazda 3 Sport GT Turbo. Mazda 3 Sport means hatchback, Mazda 3 GT means it's the top of the line, Turbo means it has the 2.5 liter turbo engine, 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. And as always, I have a full review about this exact Mazda 3 Sport up in the top right hand corner if you want to see that and know if this Mazda 3 is actually worth it or if you should maybe go with the competition. This POV drive will be a little different. We're going to take a slightly different route because that's a storm coming up and I want to beat it because I have two more other POV drives I want to do today. Hello. But I would say let's go hop on in. We got the red interior here, which is really nice. Where's my light? There you go. You should be able to still see it. I don't know, GoPro, night quality or low light qualities. Why? Alright, so for some reason my GoPro stopped recording twice there. Let's try this again. I want to buckle up first because otherwise this is going to annoy us with a lot of beeps. So, start her up. Let's see for a POV, let's put this up maybe a tiny bit. There we go. Might not be perfect, but it's better, but I still gotta keep an angle that's workable for me. And yeah, let's go and drive. As always, I also have a night POV and a highway POV. Well, not as always, I've recently switched back to this after we've been doing walkarounds for a couple of vehicles. But yeah, we have a night POV, which depending on how this one turns out, might be with some lightning and thunder, which could be pretty cool. And we got a highway POV, which, depending on how soon this starts raining, means we might be able to also do a little handling test, which actually this doesn't handle too bad. But yeah, other than that, it's really nice. I can show you the cameras real quick. We have front, we have 360 degree top view. We have a wider front, and then we have our two wheels up there. Was there already lightning in the top right hand there? It might have been. Of course, we also have rear. Let me just switch into the. There we go. There we go. Unfortunately, no cameras that point to our rear wheels, which would be nice, but I'm happy for the price. For what we got, that's pretty good. And yeah, so like I said, a little bit of a different route. We'll still be able to accelerate, but it should be fine. It should be fine. It's exciting. Learning some new streets for you guys today. All right, let's go. Sorry, my audio recorder is on top of the power bank that powers it, and that's why it's kind of I have to shuffle around there. Okay, acceleration, sport mode. Let's try to find a gap here and decelerate enough so we can actually accelerate. Oh, that's wonderful. And it's really that first to second shift that really lets you down in this one because it takes forever back into regular traffic. But the power's there. The power's there. It's just that the transmission isn't the quickest. 6-speed automatic transmission in this one, which almost unheard of these days. Having a 6-speed automatic. I mean, we've driven so many 10 speeds now. Okay, it has been the same 10 speed all the time. But I've had the 10 speed in, let's count, Silverado 1, Silverado 2, Tahoe, Escalade, I mean kind of the same car, CT4, I had it in those. I still haven't had it in the Fords, but we might be getting Fords soon, so Then we'll have it there too. Then we have 9 speeds, I have 8 speeds, 7 speeds, 6 speed. Very weird. No, actually, we're driving differently today. Infotainment is controlled using this dial. It's not a touchscreen. So we just go to navigation right here, for example. Give it a second to load. There we go. If you want to move up here, you can just tap it and now we can move. There you go. It's pretty intuitive. Just the only thing, it would be nice if I could move like diagonally, but I can't. I can only, like, even if I move the stick, the dial to the top right, it only goes either right or top or up. So, a bit unfortunate, but it's still okay. It's a good system. Could this belt stop holding me, please? Thank you. I can't even lean forward. So this is where General Motors is building like a huge campus-ish thing. It's like research and showcasing their stuff, which I'm probably gonna pick up press cars from in a couple years. I'm guessing. I don't know. But they're building a huge thing here in downtown Toronto, so might as well. Well, okay, technically it's not downtown. It's just shy of downtown. But here in Toronto, so I feel like they might be using that later on. We shall see. But pretty cool nonetheless. Stumbled across that once, and the container said General Motors Canada. So I was like, neat. What are they building? Definitely some deep blue tones up there in the sky. It's gonna rain. Actually, we did drive this route already, just in reverse, I think. Yes, we drove this in reverse once. It's been a bit over a year in the Jeep Wrangler POV. That was a night POV? I don't know, did I do multiple ones? That was the... What are we doing? Oh, there we go. In the night POV, yes, that was the street where the poor guy fell at like 1 a.m. He just smashed to the ground. And I asked him if it was okay. He was like, yep. And I moved on. It was interesting though, definitely an interesting thing that happened. And I think a raccoon also crossed the street when I was pulling into the parking lot, and I had to brake because of that. Alrighty. Okay, and that's it for the city POV drive. Like I said, a bit of a different route, but shorter this time around. Actually, not turn her off because I want to see the lights. I want to show you guys the lights because we should be able to see it now. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do 2 more POV drives. Gonna do the highway POV drive and the night POV drive. Looks pretty good on the fresh tarmac here. And yeah, I'm gonna have a full review. So you see that somewhere on your screen right now. If you liked it, I would love for you to subscribe because we upload videos every week, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.